Internal PC communication failing because of the Com Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. I've linked the primary utility for Com Library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Com Library, a specialized library associated with localized serial port COM communication tools. It manages the low-level handshake for hardware like CNC routers or old industrial sensors. Missing versions prevent the control software from detecting the hardware, citing a COM port link initialization failure. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Since Com Library DLL is an embedded part of the localized communication shim architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Com Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Warning: Com Library DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Com Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Com Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.